This is what we're currently looking like on all three of our 50K accounts. So this is what, I don't have to show you all three, they all look the exact same. So this is that little loss I took yesterday. Motherfuckers probably laughing at me like, haha, this nigga don't know what he doing, he lost. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Olu, and this is Olumighty's Futures. Welcome back. If you're already subscribed, welcome if you're brand new. Today is June 5th, 6:54 a.m. So it's New York session, and we're looking at only oil and gold. Oil and gold. I didn't take this. I was just seeing how it was playing out. But yeah. Alright, so I cut a lot of BS out, but I set my entry, my sell stop, right as where you can see it, because price ended up tapping into my zone, but I actually lost my nerve. So I actually took all my orders off, and I almost didn't even enter this trade just because of just what price was doing at the time. It was kind of still bouncing around, going back up. But yeah, so I still ended up entering at that same exact price point when I did execute my trade. So at this point, I was watching price kind of move around, spiking up, but then when I saw that it was still in my zone. It was still a very active trade idea. So I waited for price to come back down. I set my my sell stop order at the exact same price point as the earlier clip I showed, as the earlier markup I showed you guys. And I just waited for price to tap me in, and then just waited for the trade to play out. But I'll go ahead and kind of fast forward a little bit through this.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Alright, so I don't do a lot of talking when I trade a lot in the morning. But anyway, so this is where fundamental analysis is super important, because today is NFP Friday and it kind of slipped my mind and news hit, and I was kind of shocked. I was like, what the hell is going on? And this is where I started to manage my trade. The fuck going on here? Well, I must be news now. I'm moving everything to break even. 480. Where did I move at? Ooh. I don't know what that was. Must be news. All stops move to break even. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. As volatile as that move was, I don't trust it. So we stay in that break even. Honestly, bro, in my opinion, and y'all can go check this out, don't take my word for it, but if you want to trade gold, trade oil along with it, because gold and oil move inverse. Now, of course, it's like if you ever traded forex, it's like EU and the DXY. Of course, every candle's not going to be the exact same, but they pretty much move inversely. So if gold is bearish, oil is bullish, and vice versa. It may not be candle for candle, wick for wick, but oil and gold move inverse. So as this is moving bullish, gold is moving bearish. Now, if I had an aggressive entry, I probably would have hit TP already. So if I entered right at this zone, stop loss above the zone, I would have hit a 1 or 2 right here. Would have been done with this trade. That's the only thing about confirmation entries. It makes your stop loss bigger, makes your entry bigger, makes your target bigger. So now I gotta wait for it to smash this low to hit my 1 and 2 instead of hit my 1 and 2 like up here. But it's all good. I still got faith in my analysis. So whatever happens, happens. At the very worst here, we hit break even a little bit and maybe a couple dollars in profit for the day. But essentially break even. That's the worst case scenario at this current junction. So it's still a win in my book. I follow my rules. And that's the important part. It's not even winning or losing. It's following your rules. As long as you know your rules work, following your rules is what's going to be the highlight of your trading day. Not the wins or the profits. Because you can have a winning day, but you broke all your rules to get that winning day. Is that something that's going to last for 20 years, 15 years, every day? So following your rules is definitely the W that you're looking for. So what I'm gonna do here is once we break these lows, this low right here, I'm gonna move my stop loss above this high. Alright, y'all, so once this candle breaks this candle low right here, I'm moving all my stops right above this candle high. Once this candle breaks this previous candle low. Making content for Instagram, y'all, my bad. But yeah, so we broke those lows. Stops coming down. I'll put it right about 476.5. So I gotta do that for all 3 accounts. And that's how you manage your trade. That's how I manage my trades. Smack TP for me real quick. And that's day 2.
Order filled.
Alright, y'all.
Order filled.
And I'm done for the day. That was an easy ass day, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm just waiting for Lucid to update. I mean, it's still running. It's gonna hit this. It's gonna hit the support level right here. But anyway, y'all. Okay, there we go. About time. Shit. So this is what we're currently looking like on our account. Look at gold, bro. Hold on, my bad, but look at gold, bro. Look at gold, bro. I caught it from the top right here. Hell yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Oh shit. Crap. Okay. So this is what we're currently looking like on all three of our 50K accounts. So this is what, I don't have to show you all three. They all look the exact same. So this is that little loss I took yesterday. Motherfuckers was probably laughing at me like, haha, this nigga don't know what he doing. He lost. But yeah, so this is today, and we're ending off the week pretty decent. I might add. I mean, we just need 4 more days of 150 at the minimum. So if all goes well, we should be requesting a payout by like Wednesday latest. If all goes well, Friday, because market opens Sunday night, Asia session. So if I get something clean before midnight, it'll be, yeah, that'll cover Sunday, and then I can find a trade Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday that I can request. Okay, so I guess Wednesday will be the request day. Either way, I'm focusing on the wrong thing here. But I'm human, I get it. It happens. But I know what's important here, and that's just focusing on the process. But I mean, that's it for now. I don't have anything more for y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.